Have you ever tried to sneeze with your eyes open? Go ahead, try it. Spoiler alert, you can't, but why? When you sneeze, your body triggers something called the sneeze reflex. It's wired into your trigeminal nerve, a super sensitive bundle that connects your nose, eyes, and face muscles. Here's the twist. Your brain sends a reflex signal to slam your eyelids shut. Not because your eyes will pop out, that's a myth, but to protect them from irritants and pressure changes. So, do you think you could fight the reflex? Tell me in the comments. And if you love weird science facts, hit subscribe for more.